So here we are going to look at that program in practically. So last program, which means that when the user is input to 0, then only the program stop. So otherwise it is going to add the sum and find the average. So first of all we are going to set the sum is equal to 0. Then we are going to set the count is equal to 0. Then first we need to input the number from the keyboard. Here from the keyboard we are getting the number. In Python we are using int input enter the number. So here this statement, so you are not worry about the programming concept, we are just going to the going to see the example only. So the coming chapter we are going to study how to write the programming. So here this is line for inputting the number. You just understand that this line is for inputting the number. So after inputting the number we are going to check that condition. So here we are using while. So while that number not equal to 0, which means that this loop is executed until the number becomes 0. When the number is not equal to 0, then we are going to add that number to the sum variable. So sum is equal to sum plus count, sum plus number. So because initially sum becomes 0, that number is added to the sum. So after adding the sum, we are going to increment the count by 1, because you are already take one count number. So count is equal to count plus 1. So after increment the count, we are again input another number. So another number means we are using the same statement. So number is equal to int input, enter the number. Here look at that. Then so this is the loop. So here from year to year this is a loop. So here after inputting that number, it is automatically moved to the while statement. So this is the loop. So here then these three statements are inside the loop. So after when the number becomes 0, then it is automatically moved to the this line. So after the loop become exit, then we are going to write the left side. So in Python something is called indentation. Indentation means, so what all things are we are written inside the box, it becomes the same line of order. So here after the while, when the while condition become false, we are going to find the average. Average is equal to sum divided by count. So last print average equal to, here we are using avg variable avg to store the average avg. So this is our program. So look at that. We are going to run that program and module. So look at that, enter the number. So first we are going to enter the 5. So it is automatically moved to the checking the while statement. So number is not equal to 0, then it is executed again. So again number become, I enter 4, so I enter 3. So sum become 5 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 12. Next I am going to enter 0. So when the enter 0, then condition become false. It is programmed to calculate the average and print the average and stop the program. So look at that, it is stop the program. Average become 4, means that 5 plus 4 plus 3 count become 3. So here 12 divided by 3, so average become 4. So this is the way to execute that program. Okay, so write this program to your fair notebook.